Oh, okay. Quick recap for the day. Quick recap. I might just upload this. Yeah. Quick and easy day. I mean, it was pretty fucking easy. I'm not gonna lie. So basically, what I was looking at, going into the day, the daily, we already tapped into this fair value right here, and then we keep rejecting this low, which is what the fair value is anchored off of. So if we go to the 4 hour, what I'm saying, we keep closing above it. We close above it here when we first tapped it in the second. This looks like it's about to close above it. I do believe we are going to continue going higher for the rest of the day. Well, at least we're going to take this out. London high up here. I mean, I could try to target that, but I don't know. Fucking ES is just lagging too much for me that I'm not too comfortable holding all the way up there. So that's why I just took it off here. The reason for that was because if you look at here on 15, we have an SMT here, these highs. So to me, price is moving towards that direction. So I want that high to get taken out because at that point, to me that this SMT is already invalidated. So took that off. Maybe I could have just targeted this high too with this fair value, but as you can see, look at the reaction it's giving you. And also, like I said, ES is just lagging too much for my liking here. Because look, we already got an SMT with these highs, not with these highs. You know what I'm saying? So at this point, I do believe price is gonna go higher, but with SMTs doesn't necessarily invalidate your setup. It just, for me, this is my understanding for SMTs. For me, SMTs, let's say you believe price is going higher, and you are right, it's gonna go high. But once you start making like SMTs opposing against you, it just gives price a reason to pull back, either pull back a little bit and continue, or pull back quite a shit ton for you to be uncomfortable and fuck your shit up. And most of the time it's like that. So that's what I just took off there. So the entry was as you can see, saw fucking ES took out these lows here. Then ES took out this low here. So this is the same lows right there. As soon as I saw price close above here and higher time frame, I was already anticipating that we were gonna see ISD this, which we did. So as soon as it did that, I just entered right there, as you can see. Enter right there, 5 contracts, and I figured I might just well add some more because this trade isn't really that significant for me, so I just added more. And then my initial stop was like down here. Risk reward wise, this trade wasn't shit, risk reward wise, but it's my conviction that I was pretty confident this trade was gonna hit TP. And most of the time when I'm trading, like I always trail my stop like right away. Like not really right away, as soon as price gives me a chance to do so. So, price started running up higher, went to the 15 here. The most protected stop would have been here, but we made all this right here. So at this point, I just measured out. I'm pretty sure I measured out this. Was it the whole thing? Yeah, I measured this out. I just put my stop like somewhere here, because even if it does take me out, the trade isn't invalidated. But at the same time, if price pulls back that low, for me, I don't want to be in that trade anymore because it could still work out in my favor. But it's just something I don't want to see, and I just don't want to go through that shit. So that's why. So we did that. I had my stops here. You can see price did all this shit down here, which it was pretty fucking nice because we made this SMT here. It wasn't an SMT just yet. So I was like, okay, this is a good sign. So pretty much the whole time I was like, once we get a closure here with this inversion, this fair value, once we invert that and we get a nice closure up here too, then I can move my stop here. And as you can see also, price made another SMT with these lows here, as you can see. So yeah, that pretty much solidified it. As soon as I saw that happen, as soon as I saw price take that on ES and then started moving away from it, I said yeah. So I'll move my stop here. So pretty much my entry was like here somewhere, like around here. It wasn't really much, but it was still nice. And yeah, that's really about it for this trade. And I also traded this account here. Kind of sucks because this is my second one, the second account on this. First account, I was doing really good, but I just crashed the fuck out and just fucked everything. Like, I never fail or blow an account following my rules, man. It's always when I crash out. And that's exactly what happened with this account. I was doing pretty nice on this account. Well, not this one, but the one before. As you can see, it's just two. But yeah, that's about it for the day, man. It's a pretty good day so far. I don't know if I'll take any more trades, but as of right now, I don't know if I want to do anything right now. Because as you can see, ES is still lagging. And like I said, any type of S&T is just price. You know, it just gives price the reason to stall or like retrace it, and I don't want to go through that. And I'm looking at this 15 here. A very, very tiny wick. I don't like that shit. I mean, granted, on a 5-minute, we do have that. We do have this here. Look, as you can see, we do have this here on a 5-minute. But at the same time, I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like the way that 15 looks, because, see, I just don't like it. I don't know. I can't explain it. Really, I mean, I can't explain it, actually. It's just because of the wick, bro. Look how tiny that fucking wick is. Like, I want price to have, if this thing had a bigger wick, especially tapping into this, and it's going to close this aggressive, then yeah, I can see it coming up here. But looking at this, it might give you another retracement to continue going back up there. But yeah, that's about it for this one. And yeah, I'm about to upload this. So see you guys on the next one.